Okay, so first things first, why is AI for business so important? Why does this matter for you right now? Well, the AI advantage isn't some far off futuristic idea anymore. It's happening today, and it can have a real impact on your bottom line. And this is the big shift. I mean, the tools that used to be incredibly complex and expensive are now simple, they're affordable, and they're ready for businesses just like yours to use, like every single day. That massive barrier to entry, it's pretty much gone. And this really drives home the urgency. There's a very good chance your competitors are already using AI to work faster and smarter. So the main point here isn't even about getting ahead of the curve anymore. It's about making sure you don't get left behind. Let's start thinking of AI as your new tireless assistant. We're going to look at 6 real concrete ways it can start handling daily tasks for you, freeing you up to focus on what you're actually passionate about. First up, writing content. Just imagine drafting a marketing email or a whole week's worth of social media posts or a client quote and doing it all in just a few minutes. AI can whip up a really solid first draft in seconds. You just have to review it, tweak it a bit, and hit send. Think about the hours that frees up. Next, let's talk about all that tedious work. Scheduling appointments, entering data from receipts, all that stuff that just drains your energy. AI can totally automate that kind of repetitive, boring work, giving you back your most valuable resource, your time and your focus. How about customer service? This one's a game changer. AI can be your frontline support, instantly answering those common questions that pop up from customers 24/7, even when you're closed for the night. That means way better service for them and zero extra staffing costs for you. And it's not just about getting tasks done, it's about thinking smarter. Ever look at your numbers and wonder what's really working? AI can analyze your data, your sales, your marketing results, and give you clear, plain English insights on where you should focus your energy. No more guesswork. Think of AI as a force multiplier. It basically gives one person the power and output that used to take a whole small team. You can get so much more done without the major expense of hiring more people. And the last point here is all about strategy. Using AI isn't just about being more efficient behind the scenes, it's about how you position yourself in the market. It lets a small business tap into the kind of power that was once only for huge corporations. It really does level the playing field. So, you can see the benefits, right? But the big question is, how do you actually learn to do all this? The key is to forget the abstract theory and focus on practical, hands-on training that gives you skills you can literally use the next day. For anyone just starting out, the entry point is super simple. It's just about getting what AI is in plain language, learning how to prompt tools like ChatGPT to get actual useful answers. That's the foundational skill. Once you have that, everything else opens up. And from there, you can kind of pick your own adventure. If you're a total beginner, you start with the basics. If your number one goal is just to save time on all that daily admin, there's a path for that. Or maybe you need to solve one specific problem in your business, or create better marketing images. There are focused options for that too. Okay, so let's put this all together into an actual plan. Getting started is not some huge, scary leap into the unknown. We're going to walk through a super simple 4-step approach that's designed to get you real results fast. And here's what that approach looks like. It all starts by figuring out your specific business and where you're losing the most time. Then, a custom plan is built just for you. After that comes the hands-on training with the real tools. And finally, you get follow-up support to make sure these new skills actually stick and become second nature. Mindset AI is here for you. Let's create some magic for your business.